To politics now, and questions flying in the legislature here at Queen's Park today over the government's handling of the coronavirus. Is it prepared? What are the economic implications? The very latest now on the growing concern over the ever-spreading COVID-19.
People are wondering, where is the plan?
The Ford government maintains it does have a plan if the coronavirus spreads further in Ontario.
We have supplies. We are ready. Should the situation escalate, we are ready for that.
Today, another confirmed case was reported, bringing the total in this province to 36, with 80 cases across the country. The health minister confirmed the government is in the process of evaluating sites for assessment centres to ease the burden on hospitals.
Not every hospital is going to be an appropriate place for testing, that we are setting that up right now so that should the situation escalate, that we will have the place for them to be assessed, but we're also expanding our lab capability as well.
How many assessment centres are you looking at?
That hasn't been finally determined as yet.
After yesterday's meltdown on the markets, the opposition suggested today the Ford government should postpone its budget, which is being released in 2 weeks.
Where are the parts in the budget that are going to speak to, the increasing pressures on the health system, speak to the increasing pressures on the economy? I think it's irresponsible to just simply plow ahead and not, not take that step back and do the work necessary.
Premier Ford, though, made it very clear the budget is going ahead as planned.
We aren't going to delay the budget. We're on our way up to Ottawa, and we're going to be working with the federal government for a federal plan. We've been in full communications with all the premiers on COVID-19. We have a central command table along with 5 regional command tables that we're communicating every day, getting briefed.
Air Canada today announced it is suspending all flights to and from Italy, which is the worst hit country after China. All public gatherings have been banned across the country. The Premier was asked if that will be necessary here.
Well, right as of today, no, but let's see what the future brings, and let's all pray that that doesn't come to fruition here.
Some other points to tell you. Doug Ford didn't entirely rule out the possibility of banning employers from asking employees for sick notes. Also, for new stricter screening guidelines were sent out to long-term care homes for people who are visiting or working in them. And the government's trying to walk a very fine line between keeping people aware but not scaring them. So the main message: keep informed, wash your hands, call your public health department if you have any questions. And this Friday, Doug Ford and all the other premiers will be meeting with Justin Trudeau in Ottawa. Their main ask: increase the health transfers.